Well, hello everyone. We are moving through the biblical month of Tammuz, and this is the chalkboard that the Lord gave me for this month. And you can check out the chalkboard teaching and check out the whole month, but this is a month that's connected to our vision, and also the Lord is calling us to guard our hearts. And one way that we can guard our hearts is by guarding our eyes. And so each month is packed with prophetic encouragement for us as we move through the month. We have such a good shepherd. And, it even highlights a body part every month. And so in this month that's connected to our vision, you would think that the body part would be our eyes, but it's actually our right index finger. And I was wondering to myself, how is that connected? But then I thought, the right index finger actually directs our sight, when we're pointing to something. And even in the ancient Israel tradition, the Hebrew bride would wear her wedding ring on her right index finger, pointing her gaze to her beloved bridegroom. So I think that is a beautiful picture. And so I was thinking again about this right index finger, and I thought, isn't that funny? And as I was swiping on my phone, I thought, wow, I am pointing or directing my sight every time I swipe my phone. And so I was reminded of that verse that says, take every thought captive, right? But the Lord was saying, take every swipe captive. As we do that, we will guard our hearts. In Proverbs 4, it says, guard your heart with all diligence, because out of it flows all the issues of life, right? So you think about it, we guard almost everything else in our lives, be it our skin from the sun or websites with passwords, and yet we often leave our hearts wide open. So Proverbs is telling us how to guard our hearts. And it's right there in chapter 4. It says that we need to guard what we hear and guard what we see. His word says, incline our ears to his sayings and let them not depart from our eyes. That's Proverbs chapter 4. And his words are spirit and life. So as we look at them, as we meditate upon them, they're always encouraging us, right? And what happens? Our heart becomes troubled when we hear news, or when we compare ourselves, or we hear bad news that instills fear, and often they're lies, or we even come up with our own imaginations of things. So let's not let our hearts become troubled. We can simply do this by hearing his words, right? The Bible is full of us to just hear, and faith comes by hearing. And the more that we hear his words and we keep his words before our eyes, the more our hearts will be guarded and established. So let's take every swipe captive, because we become what we behold. Blessings as you finish this month of Tammuz, beholding Jesus. Fix your eyes on him and know that his eyes are upon you for good. Blessings.